If your TikTok account has been permanently banned due to multiple violations of their community guidelines, there are a few steps you can try to address the issue. 1. Review TikTok's community guidelines. First, make sure you understand TikTok's community guidelines thoroughly. You can find these guidelines on TikTok's official website. Understand what violations you may have committed. 2. Appeal the ban. TikTok allows users to appeal their bans if they believe it was a mistake. To do this, open the TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the three dots. In the top right corner, select Settings and Privacy, choose Report a Problem, select Account Issue, and then My Account Was Banned. Follow the on-screen instructions to submit an appeal. 3. Provide evidence. In your appeal, explain your situation clearly and provide any evidence that can prove you didn't violate TikTok's guidelines or that the ban was unjust. Be polite and concise in your explanation. 4. Wait for a response. TikTok will review your appeal, and it may take some time for them to respond. Be patient during this process. 5. Contact TikTok support. If your appeal is rejected or if you don't receive a response, you can try reaching out to TikTok support through their official website or social media channels. Explain your situation and request further assistance. 6. Consider creating a new account, if all else fails. You may need to create a new TikTok account and ensure that you strictly adhere to their community guidelines to avoid future bans. Keep in mind that TikTok's policies and processes may change over time, so it's essential to refer to their official resources for the most up-to-date information on appealing a ban. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to TechSor for more videos. Take care.